Welcome to Yellowstone National Park, an enchanting wilderness teeming with geothermal features, breathtaking landscapes, and a vibrant array of wildlife. Spanning over 2.2 million acres across 3 states, Wyoming, Montana, and Idaho, Yellowstone is not only the first national park in the United States, but also the world's first national park, established in 1872. It's a place where the Earth's geothermal power is on full display, where majestic animals roam free, and where nature's raw beauty is preserved for all to see. In this video, we'll embark on a journey through the 10 best places to see in Yellowstone National Park. From the awe-inspiring Grand Canyon of Yellowstone to the mesmerizing Morning Glory Pool, we'll delve into the unique features and stories behind each site. So, sit back, relax, and let's explore the wonders of Yellowstone together. 1. Grand Canyon of Yellowstone. Our adventure begins at the Grand Canyon of Yellowstone, one of the park's most striking and dramatic landscapes. This magnificent canyon, carved by the powerful Yellowstone River over thousands of years, stretches approximately 20 miles long, ranges from 1,500 to 4,000 feet wide, and plunges to depths of up to 1,200 feet. The canyon's stunning colors, primarily yellow and red, are a result of chemical weathering of the volcanic rock, particularly the iron compounds. The Grand Canyon of Yellowstone is home to 2 major waterfalls, the Upper Falls and the Lower Falls. The Upper Falls, standing at 109 feet, is an impressive sight, but it is the Lower Falls, at a towering 308 feet, that truly captivates visitors. The sheer volume of water crashing down into the canyon creates a thundering roar and a perpetual mist that, on sunny days, often forms beautiful rainbows. For the best views of the canyon, head to the various lookout points along both the north and south rims. Artist Point, one of the most famous overlooks, offers a breathtaking panorama of the Lower Falls and the canyon's vibrant walls. Another excellent vantage point is Lookout Point, which provides an equally stunning perspective and the opportunity to hike down to the brink of the Lower Falls for an up-close experience. 2. Old Faithful Geyser. Next on our journey is the world-renowned Old Faithful Geyser. Located in the Upper Geyser Basin, Old Faithful is one of the most predictable geothermal features in Yellowstone, erupting roughly every 60 to 110 minutes. This predictability has made Old Faithful a must-see attraction, drawing visitors from around the globe to witness its spectacular eruptions. When Old Faithful erupts, it shoots a column of boiling water and steam up to heights of 185 feet, lasting anywhere from 1.5 to 5 minutes. The sight and sound of the geyser erupting is a truly awe-inspiring experience, showcasing the raw power of nature. Old Faithful's eruptions are fueled by a complex underground plumbing system that channels water heated by the park's geothermal energy. While waiting for Old Faithful to erupt, take the opportunity to explore the surrounding Upper Geyser Basin, which hosts the largest concentration of geysers in the world. The basin features numerous other notable geysers and hot springs, including Castle Geyser, with its grand cone-shaped formation, and the colorful Morning Glory Pool. 3. Grand Prismatic Spring. Prepare to be mesmerized by the vibrant and otherworldly beauty of the Grand Prismatic Spring. Located in the Midway Geyser Basin, Grand Prismatic Spring is the largest hot spring in the United States and the 3rd largest in the world, measuring approximately 370 feet in diameter and 160 feet deep. What makes Grand Prismatic Spring truly spectacular are its vivid, rainbow-like colors. The center of the spring, a deep blue, is the hottest part, where temperatures can reach around 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Surrounding the blue center are bands of green, yellow, orange, and red, created by different species of thermophilic bacteria that thrive in various temperature ranges. These heat-loving microorganisms produce pigments that add to the spring's dazzling array of colors. To fully appreciate the beauty of Grand Prismatic Spring, take the boardwalk trail that winds around the spring and provides close-up views of its colorful edges. For a more panoramic perspective, hike the nearby Fairy Falls Trail to the Grand Prismatic overlook, where you can gaze down on the spring and see its full spectrum of colors. The Midway Geyser Basin, home to Grand Prismatic Spring, also features other fascinating geothermal features. The Excelsior Geyser Crater, once one of the most powerful geysers in the world, now discharges an impressive amount of hot water into the Firehole River. The nearby Turquoise Pool and Opal Pool also offer strikingly beautiful sights, with their brilliant hues and steaming waters. Four, Artist Point. For one of the most picturesque and iconic views in Yellowstone, head to Artist Point. Located on the south rim of the Grand Canyon of Yellowstone, Artist Point offers sweeping vistas of the canyon and the majestic lower falls. The view from this vantage point is so stunning that it has inspired countless artists and photographers, hence its name. From Artist Point, you can see the full grandeur of the canyon, with its steep, colorful walls and the powerful lower falls cascading into the depths below. The interplay of light and shadow on the canyon's rock formations creates a dynamic and ever-changing scene, making each visit a unique experience. The overlook at Artist Point is easily accessible and provides ample space for visitors to take in the breathtaking view. For those looking to explore further, the South Rim Trail offers a scenic hike along the edge of the canyon, with additional viewpoints like Point Sublime and Uncle Tom's Trail. The latter includes a challenging descent to a closer view of the lower falls, providing a more intimate encounter with this natural wonder. Whether you're an avid photographer or simply a lover of natural beauty, Artist Point is a must-visit location in Yellowstone. The view from this iconic spot captures the essence of the park's rugged and unspoiled wilderness, leaving a lasting impression on all who visit. Five, Lamar Valley. Wildlife enthusiasts will find paradise in Lamar Valley, often referred to as America's Serengeti. Located in the northeastern part of the park, Lamar Valley is renowned for its abundant and diverse wildlife, making it one of the best places in Yellowstone for animal watching. The wide-open meadows and rolling hills of Lamar Valley provide a perfect habitat for a variety of species. Large herds of bison can often be seen grazing in the valley, and it's not uncommon to encounter pronghorn antelope, elk, and bighorn sheep. The valley is also a prime location for spotting predators, including wolves and grizzly bears, particularly during the early morning and late evening when these animals are most active. Lamar Valley's wildlife is not the only draw. Its scenic beauty is equally captivating. The valley is framed by towering mountains and dotted with meandering rivers and streams, creating a picturesque landscape that changes with the seasons. In the spring and summer, wildflowers blanket the meadows, adding bursts of color to the green expanse, while autumn brings golden hues to the valley's vegetation. Whether you're a seasoned wildlife observer or a casual visitor hoping to see Yellowstone's iconic animals, Lamar Valley offers an unforgettable experience. The opportunity to witness wildlife in its natural habitat, against the backdrop of the valley's stunning scenery, is one of the many reasons why Lamar Valley is a highlight of any trip to Yellowstone. Six, Mammoth Hot Springs. Our next stop is Mammoth Hot Springs, a unique and fascinating geothermal area located near the park's northern entrance. Unlike the geysers and hot springs found elsewhere in Yellowstone, Mammoth Hot Springs features an ever-changing landscape of terraced formations created by the deposition of calcium carbonate from the hot springs. The terraces at Mammoth Hot Springs are formed as hot water from deep underground rises to the surface and cools, causing the dissolved limestone to precipitate out and build up over time. This process creates a series of cascading, stair-like formations that range in color from white and gray to shades of yellow, orange, and brown, depending on the presence of algae and other microorganisms. The Mammoth Hot Springs area is divided into two main sections, the upper terraces and the lower terraces. The upper terraces are accessible via a one-way drive that offers several viewpoints and parking areas where you can get out and explore the formations up close. The lower terraces, including the famous Minerva Terrace, can be explored on foot via a network of boardwalks and trails. With its unique geological features, rich history, and abundant wildlife, Mammoth Hot Springs offers a diverse and captivating experience that highlights the many wonders of Yellowstone National Park. Seven. Upper Geyser Basin. No visit to Yellowstone is complete without exploring the Upper Geyser Basin, home to the highest concentration of geysers in the world. This geothermal wonderland, located just a short distance from Old Faithful, features over 150 geysers and countless hot springs, fumaroles, and mud pots, making it one of the most dynamic and intriguing areas of the park. The Upper Geyser Basin covers an area of about 1 square mile and includes some of the park's most famous geysers. In addition to Old Faithful, which we've already visited, the basin is home to other notable geysers such as Castle Geyser, Grand Geyser, and Riverside Geyser. Castle Geyser, named for its large, castle-like cone, erupts with impressive force, shooting water up to 90 feet into the air for about 20 minutes. The eruptions occur roughly every 10 to 12 hours and are often accompanied by a roaring steam phase that can last for another 30 to 40 minutes. Grand Geyser is the tallest predictable geyser in the world, with eruptions that can reach heights of up to 200 feet. These spectacular eruptions last between 9 and 12 minutes and occur approximately every 6 to 7 hours. Watching Grand Geyser erupt is a truly awe-inspiring experience, as the powerful jets of water and steam create a mesmerizing display. Riverside Geyser, located along the Firehole River, is known for its graceful and picturesque eruptions. When Riverside Geyser erupts, it sends a stream of water arcing gracefully over the river, reaching heights of about 75 feet. The eruptions occur approximately every 6 hours and last for about 20 minutes, creating a beautiful and serene spectacle. In addition to the geysers, the Upper Geyser Basin is home to a variety of colorful hot springs, including the strikingly blue sapphire pool and the rainbow-hued chromatic pool. The vibrant colors of these hot springs are created by thermophilic bacteria and minerals dissolved in the water, adding to the basin's otherworldly beauty. Eight. Midway Geyser Basin. Continuing our journey through Yellowstone's geothermal wonders, we arrive at the Midway Geyser Basin. This smaller but equally impressive basin is home to some of the park's most famous and visually stunning geothermal features, including the Grand Prismatic Spring, which we've already explored, and the massive Excelsior Geyser crater. The Midway Geyser Basin is located along the Firehole River, and its geothermal features are easily accessible via a boardwalk trail that winds through the area. The first major feature you'll encounter is the Excelsior Geyser crater, a vast and steaming pool of hot water that discharges over 4,000 gallons per minute into the Firehole River. Excelsior Geyser was once one of the most powerful geysers in the world, with eruptions that could reach heights of up to 300 feet. However, after a series of violent eruptions in the late 19th century, Excelsior Geyser became dormant. Today, it is a constantly boiling hot spring, with its enormous crater and vibrant blue water offering a glimpse into the raw power of Yellowstone's geothermal forces. As you continue along the boardwalk, you'll come to the Turquoise Pool and Opal Pool, two more stunning hot springs that showcase the beautiful colors and intricate patterns created by Yellowstone's geothermal activity. The Turquoise Pool, true to its name, features a brilliant blue color, while the Opal Pool displays a range of hues from blue to green to yellow, depending on the temperature and the presence of thermophilic bacteria. The highlight of the Midway Geyser Basin, of course, is the Grand Prismatic Spring, which we've already discussed in detail. Its vibrant colors and immense size make it one of the most iconic and photographed features in Yellowstone. 9. Firehole River. For a more tranquil and relaxing experience, visit the Firehole River, a scenic waterway that flows through the heart of Yellowstone's geothermal areas. The Firehole River is not only a beautiful natural feature, but also offers a variety of recreational opportunities, including swimming, fishing, and picnicking. The Firehole River gets its name from the steam and hot water that flow into it from the numerous geysers and hot springs along its course. This geothermal input keeps the river warm year-round, making it an inviting spot for a refreshing swim, especially during the hot summer months. The Firehole Swim Area, located along the Firehole Canyon Drive, is a popular spot for visitors to take a dip in the warm waters and enjoy the natural surroundings. In addition to swimming, the Firehole River is renowned for its excellent fishing opportunities. The river is home to a variety of trout species, including brown, rainbow, and brook trout, making it a favorite destination for anglers. The best fishing spots can be found along the river's banks and in the deeper pools, where trout are often found lurking. The Firehole River Drive, a scenic one-way road, provides access to some of the most beautiful sections of the river, including the Firehole Falls, a picturesque waterfall that cascades into a deep pool below. The drive also offers several pullouts and picnic areas, where you can stop and enjoy the serene beauty of the river and its surroundings. 10. Morning Glory Pool. Our journey through Yellowstone concludes at the captivating Morning Glory Pool, one of the most beautiful and iconic hot springs in the park. Located in the Upper Geyser Basin, Morning Glory Pool is named for its striking resemblance to the morning glory flower, with its vibrant blue and green colors creating a stunning visual effect. Morning Glory Pool is a hot spring, and its colors are produced by different species of thermophilic bacteria that thrive at various temperatures. The deep blue center of the pool is the hottest part, while the outer edges, which are cooler, display shades of green, yellow, and orange. The colors can change over time due to shifts in temperature and the growth of different bacterial communities. Over the years, Morning Glory Pool has experienced changes in its appearance due to natural and human influences. Debris and coins thrown into the pool by visitors have partially blocked its vent, causing the water temperature to drop and allowing different types of bacteria to colonize the pool. Efforts have been made to remove the debris and restore the pool to its former glory, but it remains a reminder of the impact human activity can have on delicate geothermal features. And there you have it, the 10 best places to see in Yellowstone National Park. Each location offers its own unique beauty and wonder, showcasing the diverse and extraordinary landscapes of this iconic park. From the dramatic Grand Canyon of Yellowstone to the serene Morning Glory Pool, each of these sites provides a glimpse into the incredible natural forces that have shaped this land. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned explorer, Yellowstone's unparalleled geothermal features, stunning vistas, and abundant wildlife ensure an unforgettable experience. We hope this guide helps you plan your visit and inspires you to explore the natural treasures of Yellowstone. Thank you for joining us on this journey through one of the world's most remarkable national parks. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more travel guides and nature explorations. Until next time, happy adventuring!